kids! Today we're going to practice a little more the k sound. So let's go. First, you have to listen and repeat the sentences. Are you ready? Primero, tenemos que escuchar las frases y después las repetimos. We are going to start slow and then we will do it faster. Empezaremos diciéndolas despacio y cada vez un poco más rápido. Collins got a car costume. Collins got a car costume. Carrie's got a cape and a cool car. Carrie's got a cape and a cool car. Now, let's do it faster. Collins got a car costume. Collins got a car costume. Carrie's got a cape and a cool car. Carrie's got a cape and a cool car. And faster. Collins got a car costume. Collins got a car costume. Carrie's got a cape and a cool car. Carrie's got a cape and a cool car. Can you do it? You have to read 4 sentences on your own and later you will listen to them to check if you did it right. Ahora tenéis que leer 4 frases vosotros y después las escucharéis para ver si las habéis leído bien. Carl likes cats and cakes. Carl likes cats and cakes. A calf is a young cow. A calf is a young cow. Wear a coat when it's cold. Wear a coat when it's cold. It's a clever caterpillar. It's a clever caterpillar. Okay, so that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye bye!